And many of you are weighing in on our Facebook page about Casey being found. We begin with Eliza, who wrote in part, "You can come up with conspiracy theories all day long, but I chalk it up to the good Lord watching over him. Miracles do happen." And Lindsay says, "I believe the bear was an angel sent from the Lord." That, of course, referencing Sheriff Chip Hughes, who said that Casey said his friend for 2 days was a bear. And Patsy wrote, "God is good all the time. Folks who have just seen a miracle from God, nothing is impossible with Jesus." Definitely the outcome we were all hoping for there.